Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial about how to set maximum purchase quantity limit for your Shopify store or in your Shopify cart, right? So there will be oversized purchases, right? So you need to limit maximum of 20 products for a customer. Then you can do this thing. Right. So for this, I'm using the Nex Minimum Order Quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store. I also attach the app link in the description of this video. After installing the Nex Minimum Order Quantity app, you come to the home page of the app. So here you can see different sections. So you can click on the cart limits. Then you can give a name. So I'm just giving maximum order should be limited to 20 items, right? We're giving 20 items. Then you can go to this cart section, right? And click on the cart maximum quantity, then give just 20. And an automated message is already generated. If you need a custom message, you can add it here. That's the easiest way. And save the changes. You're ready to go. The roller is active. And if I try to purchase a 3 item, you can see there is no errors in the checkout. And if I add more than 20 products, for example, I'm adding this for product also. I'm adding this 10 and now 14 is there. I'm making it also 10. Then you can see almost 22 products are there. And if we try to check out, then you can see a messages pop up on checkout. So this is how you can add a maximum order limit for your Shopify checkout. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.